Hello everyone, good evening because it's already 9:44 p.m. here. So what I am going to show you guys is the stuff or food we bought in Valencia. It's um it's an Asian hyper store or supermarket, guys. The name is Hyper Asia. So this is a Chinese store, guys, that sells, of course, Asian products, but it's not totally Asian products, guys, because they have also products from Spain. So anyway, guys, wag na po natin patatagalin, mag-start na po tayo. We spent here, guys, 68 euros and 23 cents. Ayan, medyo mura po siya, guys, compared to the supermarkets we have here. So let's start. So guys, here I bought soya sauce. Ayan, soy sauce. This is normal, guys. So it's quite cheap, guys, because here if you buy 200 ml, it's already 1 euro 50 cents, something like that. And this is 5 euros, guys. And you see it's 1 liter. I bought two types of soya sauce or soy sauce. This is the normal one and this is the black one, guys. I think this is 7 euros. 1 liter, almost 1 liter and 750, almost 2 liters, guys. If I am not wrong, this is, I think it's not it not reach 8 euros. It's like 7 euros and 75 cents, something like that, guys. So ayan, may two types of soy sauce po tayo. One is normal and one is extra black. Ayan, may pang-pansit na po tayo kasi yung soy sauce na nabibili ko dito, guys, hindi siya dark. So kung minsan anemic yung mga pansit natin, charot. And then you see, guys, this one. So this is noodles. It has no seasoning inside. So here we are free to put the seasoning we want. Ayan. So this is quite cheap also, guys, because the one we are buying in the supermarket, it's 2 euros and 75 cents. I think it's only 1/4 kilo, and this is 2 euros 75 cents. It's half kilo. So ayan, mas mura po siya, guys. And then we have here, ayan, may pechay po tayo, pak choy. Ayan, wala po silang mustasa doon. Ayan, so this pack is 1 euro and 19 cents. Mura po siya, guys, compared sa supermarket. Sa supermarket, normally dito sa amin, dalawa lang, only 2, and it's already 1 euro and 80 cents, something like that. And this is, you see, guys, it has 2, 4, 6. Ayan, 6 po siya. Next, we have here glutinous rice. Ayan. Pwede na tayong gumawa ng biko. Ayan. Kuyang Tony, Sis Lori, Sis JRS, Sis Katja, Sis Born. Gagawa tayo ng biko. Ayan. Hindi ko nahihintayin na pupunta pa ako ng Germany para makatikim ng biko natin doon. Ayan. Sis Lori, may galap siya. So guys, we have here toasted sesame. Mura po siya, guys, compared dun sa nabibili natin sa supermarket. Ayan. So, ewan ko bakit mura dun, guys. So ayan, bumili po ako. I bought, this is half kilo. I bought one for normal, and then I bought another. Where's the other one? Wait, guys, I am going to tell you later on because it's not here. So I have here mochi mochi for my daughter. Ayan. Ano siya? Strawberry flavor. This was suggested by my son. And we have here, ayan, vermicelli. Ayan, this is out of sweet potato vermicelli, guys. Nakita ko po siya how they do on a video. So we are going to try this one, guys. Sweet potato vermicelli. And then meron din po tayong miswa. Ayan. So ayan. Mega love shout out kasi sabi ko sa anak ko gusto kong kumain ng miswa. Halimbawa pag hindi po tayo, wala po tayong appetite. Ayan, miswa lang po siya with itlog. Okay na siya. Ayan. So, my God, it's been 15 long years or 16 long years na hindi po ako nakatikim ng miswa. And we have here mung bean. Kasi alam nyo guys, nahihirapan akong maghanap ng mung bean sa supermarket. Normally, nasa Lidl po siya. And sa Mercadona. Pero ngayon, wala na po siya. As in, siguro hindi po masyadong popular or mung bean dito. So, they prefer the lentils guys rather than the mung bean. So I am so happy guys. This is 4 euros and 50 cents 1 kilo. Mura na po siya guys. So more or less 300 pesos po siya. Ayan. 300 pesos isang kilo. Parang Pilipinas price na yata yun. And then ayan guys, aadobo tayo ng sitaw. Ayan, ang haba ng sitaw natin guys. And this is already how much? 2 euros and 30 cents. Ayan. May shadow naman po itong video ko guys. Sorry naman. Bahala na po kayong mag-adjust. Ayan. And then may pangalawang bolsa po tayo. Then meron po tayong agar-agar. Bala ko pong gumawa ng ang tawag dito gelatin out of agar-agar. And then we are going to try this one guys. Ayan. I don't know how much is this, but it's not too expensive, guys. And then we have here, ayan, spring roll wraps. Ayan, makagawa na po tayo. Because the last time na gumawa ako nito, guys, it's out of, masa fina o masa filo, tawag nila. And the output is good, was good, I should say. But it's not, the wrapper is not good for, unlike this one guys. So ayan, may two sizes po tayo. This is 50 pieces and the other one is 40 pieces, but it's bigger. So when I went to the Netherlands guys, I bought 2 packs of like this, the same brand and the same size, 40 pieces din. So this one guys, I need to put it in the freezer. I need to put them in the freezer kasi hindi ko pa naman po siya gagamitin. Ayan, masaya-masaya po ko kasi nga pwede na tayong makabili doon. Mag-travel lang ng 2 hours. So, ayan guys, yung son ko, he likes using chopstick. So, ayan po siya. Bumili po siya ng isang pack ng chopstick. And then, ito po yung, ayan, pwede pong pang dumplings natin. I am going to try. This is 200 grams. Ayan. So, pag okay siya, and then, when I return back, ayan o, return back to Valencia, I am going to buy. And then, ito guys, hindi ko alam, binili ng anak ko. Hindi ko alam kung anong itatago niya dito. Itatago niya siguro yung milyones niya. Milyones talaga. And then, this one, the black toasted sesame seeds. Because this is good guys, for the rice. Ayan. And then, other food. Kasi nakita ko sa mga Moroccan guys, they are putting also 2 rice and they are putting 2 breads. Ayan. Mabango kasi siya guys. And 2 salad also. And then, what more we have here? Ayan, tapioca, sago guys. Bumili ako ng maliliit kasi meron pa akong sago na dala ni si Cecilia from the Netherlands last year. So, gagamitin ko muna yon. And then, I also have their natural food coloring. So, I bought this one, guys. Ayan, ang saya-saya ko naman po, guys. And, ayan, guys, kasi gustong itry ng anak ko itong mushrooms na to. Gusto niyang itry ng, ano bang tawag doon? I-deep fry daw niya, guys. So, we are going to try this one. I think, wala na po siya, guys. I think, we're done. So, ayan po yung pinuntahan natin sa Valencia today. I'm so happy. Parang namalengke or nag-supermarket po tayo sa Pilipinas. Ayan, ang saya-saya naman po natin. So, bukas, I am going to prepare adobong sitaw. Perhaps I am going to clean this one and keep the half inside the freezer so that I still have for other days. Ayan guys, super saya ko po naman kasi ngayong anak ko last week or 2 weeks ago, they went to Valencia and he saw this. And it's good guys because it's near the train station, so we don't need to walk so far because before we were going to a nation store, but it's quite far from the train station. So these are all the things we bought for more than 68 euros guys. Konti lang siya, 68 euros, or let's say 7 times 7, it's like ano na siya guys, 7 times 7, 4,900 euros na po siya guys. So 4,900 pesos. So ayan guys, so more or less itong nabili ko natin na to, 4,900 pesos na po siya guys. Ayan. So just imagine guys kung ano po yung mabibili nyo ng 4,900 pesos sa Pilipinas. Ayan. So thank you so much for your big support to my channel. I hope you are all okay. God bless us all. Adios. Ciao, ciao. Au revoir.